Hello YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques and Restoration. I'm here with my little dog Biscuit and we're in my bedroom slash my office to do a video to help fellow YouTubers like myself, or if you're new to YouTube, how to add closed captions to your videos. Now, there's a couple reasons that people add closed captioning to their videos. Number one, the most obvious reason is for those that are hearing impaired, to help those, if they want to watch a video, if they can't hear you, they can at least read the transcript of your video easily and they can enjoy it. Secondly, a lot of people travel, commute, or you could be on an airplane, or you could be next to your boyfriend, partner, spouse in bed, and you don't want the volume up while you're watching a YouTube video. So a lot of people like watching, but also like to be able to read what the video is about without having the volume up. And another reason, if you're like me and you want more traffic coming to your videos and people being able to enjoy them and reach a even further wider audience, you put closed captions on your videos. Here's a little fact for you. If you put a closed caption on your video, your views can increase up to 14%. Yeah, 14%. So if you're looking to make some revenue on your videos, every view counts, and this is another way to increase those views. So how do you add the closed captioning to your videos? It is pretty simple, but you kind of have to dig to find it and how to do it. So I thought I would do a quick video to show you guys how to do it. It's really simple. I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to add closed captioning to your videos. Can I just quickly show off my cool new stool that I got? Isn't this neat? It's an antique piano stool that I found on Facebook Marketplace for only 40 bucks. And it's got the cool claw feet with the glass balls. I just think it's amazing and I've always wanted one. So now I have one and I can spin and it can help take some of my energy away from me. So let's add some closed captionings to your video. So I'm going to just take my camera, point it to my screen, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how you get in here, how you add it. It's so quick. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, here we are in my YouTube studio page. There I am with cute little Biscuit. So we're in my YouTube studio where you can see all my videos. So we're gonna add closed captioning to one of my most recent videos. So how about to the how to wax painted furniture video? I know I haven't added it to that one. So we're gonna go to the details. So we're gonna click on details and that's gonna open it up. That's where you have your title, your description for your video. I want you to scroll all the way down to where you see it's a show more. Click on that. And then we are going to scroll even further down. Now we're going to see right under where your tags are, you're going to see language, subtitles, and closed captions. This is where you make all of this happen. Okay, so see where it says video language? Select whatever language you want your closed captions to appear in. I'm going to obviously select English, but it has a ton of different languages you can select. Then I'm going to hit on English by YouTube right there. And that's going to give me this option here. We're going to click on download. Once you hit on download, this is going to pop up on the bottom. So mine says captions with the number 51 in parentheses. Why mine has 51 is because I have downloaded that many captions. I've added captions to almost half of my YouTube videos, so that's why I have such a high number. If this is the first time you are adding captions to your YouTube video, it might have the number 1 there. So the more times you do it, the more that number will increase. I hope that explains that. So now we need to upload the closed captions that we just downloaded. So we're going to click on upload. And I always select with timing. That's what I always do, and it seems to work with the timing of when I talk and how the closed captions appear under the timing. So I do with timing. I'm gonna hit continue. And now it's gonna go look for those closed captions under my downloaded folder. So I need to go look for that file. That's why you gotta remember that number. Here's all my other closed captions. You can see all the numbers increasing. So the number I'm looking for is 51. There it is right there. So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna hit open. And that should have attached it. Now what I need to do is go up here and save. Now we're gonna, it says changes saved. So now let's double check. Let's go click on my video and let's see if the closed captions are there. Oh, a Hobby Lobby ad. I love Hobby Lobby. All right, we're gonna hit skip ads.
Hi YouTube, it's Bethany from Madeline Jean Antiques Restoration.
There it is, you guys.
Tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys a new wax that I have fallen.
So I'm gonna mute my video, and you can see here, closed captions. You'll see the little icon there. There it is. So people can either turn it off, see how it disappears, or you can turn it on, and there it is. So what I advise people, when you add your closed captions, make sure you click on the video right away to make sure your closed captions match up to your video, what you're actually talking about. I once was adding the wrong closed captions to one of my videos. It was a total mix-up. So just definitely double check what the words are and that it makes sense and that it's actually truly attached to that video. Okay, you guys, that was a very, very quick tutorial. Quick for me. Usually I'm a chatty Cathy, right? I just went right to it. So that's how you add closed captioning to your YouTube videos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you need a little more help, drop a question in the comment section. I'm usually quick to reply to most questions. If you are following my YouTube channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate those that have subscribed. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bethany. This is my little rescue dog, Biscuit. I'm a single mom. I live in New Hampshire and I restore antique and vintage furniture. This is what I do full time, along with being a mom. And so I started this YouTube channel about 1.5 years ago by the prodding of my teenage son, who was like, Mom, you should do YouTube. Didn't really want to do it because it just meant something else for me to manage, but I am enjoying it. This has been quite a little journey for me. I think I'm up to like 5,700 subscribers. So it's fun to see my channel grow. And I love knowing that I'm helping people and inspiring people to dabble into refinishing antique and vintage furniture. That's what you're gonna find mostly with my videos. I have started to dabble a little bit in house projects since I bought my first house a couple months ago. So that's exciting. So I'm starting to do some things like that. And then tonight I decided, you know what? I didn't know how to add closed captions for a while. I had to Google it and kind of figure it out myself. And I thought, you know what? Maybe somebody else doesn't know to do it. Maybe it's an afterthought. But not only can you help those that are hearing impaired enjoy your videos, you can also increase traffic and revenue to your channel. Like I said, it can increase your viewership up to 14%. And that's huge. So I thought, why not share another helpful hint for those who are YouTubers out there? So I'm gonna quit yakking away because that's what I do. I yak. Right, Biscuit? And what are we gonna say? Biscuit always says it. I'm gonna get you to say it, right? We say toodaloo. You say toodaloo? Yeah. And it's cold. That's why he's got a sweater on.